guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a realistic scar using rigid collodion from SFX Smart on Instagram. So first off, you want to outline where you want your scar to be, and then you go over your rigid collodion on these scars. Now first off, this product creates a depth, it shrinks the skin and gives a very realistic look. So now you go over this particular product for 6 to 7 times for a much more realistic look. Now this product is user friendly, it's beginner friendly, anyone can use this product. It is highly recommended and is harmless. So in this video I used about 6 to 7 layers of this rigid collodion to create a very realistic depth, and then I went over with the black face paints gotten from SFX Smart on Instagram. Go check them out on Instagram, guys. I used it to shade out the parts of this wound, and what this does is to create a healing effect. It looks like a wound that is actually healing. Didn't I forget, this product can also be used to create realistic Nigerian tribal marks. I'll also be posting a tutorial very soon on that. You guys don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll be having more tutorials here on this page. So here's the final look. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. Bye guys.